Want to know how to add reverb to your track in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application, and once you're there, just simply import any file. So just simply head towards File and select Import and import any audio that you like. Now, in order to change anything or add any effect, so in this video, we're adding reverb. So first up, you can just simply select Ctrl+A to select the entire track, or just double click on it if you haven't split or done any changes. So once you've done that, on top you should be seeing effects, and under effects, here you used to be seeing delay and reverb. Now just simply select reverb, that should be on the bottom, and once you've done it, here you can just simply change it to anything. So I would say make the room size around 50, delay to 10, and rest is all your choice. So once you're done, just simply select apply and you're good to go. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.